In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can start to make a passive income in 2020. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can start to make a passive income online in 2020. Now, before I jump into this video and explain these different methods that you can use to start earning a passive income, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if this is your first time here and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, before I share these methods with you on how you can start to earn a passive income, let me just explain what it actually is first. So basically what a passive income is where you create a product or a service one time and that can earn you a residual income over and over again. Now, most people might think that creating a passive income is where once they create a product, they just sit back and they just start to watch the money rolling into their bank account. But there's actually a lot more to it than that. I mean, in order to start earning a passive income, you're going to have to be active in some way, shape, or form. Now, what I mean by active is you have to be actively promoting whatever it is that you're going to be using to earn yourself a passive income. So let's say, for example, that you created an online course and that's your source of earning a passive income, which is one of the examples that I'm going to be sharing about in a minute. But once you create your online course, if you're just going to sit back and you're expecting people to enroll into your course and expect to get paid like that, I mean, more than likely, if you don't have a huge following, if nobody really knows you, then they're not going to be able to find that course or know that it even exists. So they're not going to enroll into that course. So you have to be actively promoting that online course. You have to share it on your social media. You might have to run paid advertisements. Or if you have a YouTube channel, you should be creating content that's focusing around the online course that you created. So for example, if you created an online course where you're showing somebody how to make a website step by step, then you should be creating YouTube videos where you're giving people tips on what's the best platform to create a website on, how to get a domain name, where to find hosting, and what are some tips in general on when it comes to creating a website. And then what you can do is you can give people a call to action by letting them know if they want to know the full details, if they want to learn how to create a website step by step, they can just check out your link, which is going to take them to enroll into your online course. So that's basically what I mean by you have to be actively promoting whatever source that you're going to use to create a passive income for yourself. Now, why create something that's going to earn you a passive income? Well, this should be a no-brainer, but the majority of people, they don't want to wait for something to happen. They want to get everything instantly. And when it comes to creating a passive income, you're not going to see instant results. Once you create something that's going to earn you a passive income, you might not even make your money back within the first 3 months, 6 months, even a year. It's going to take time for you to build up traction and get people to maybe buy your product so you can start to see a return on your investment. But going with something that's going to provide you a passive income, it's not something that you have to quit your full-time job for. This is something that you can do in your free time, maybe dedicate 2 or 3 hours out of the week to creating something that's going to earn you a passive income. So you can actually have 2 different streams of income coming in. One from your regular job and one from that product or service that you created that's going to earn you a passive income. Okay, so now that I've covered these, let me just give you a few different methods that you can use to actually start earning a passive income. Now, the first method is going to be by selling online courses. Now, this is a method that I've talked about previously in past videos, but if you can effectively teach somebody something like a skill that you have or maybe give them certain knowledge that they're trying to learn, then you can definitely make money by selling online courses. So the way that it's going to work when it comes to creating an online course is that you're going to have to record yourself in front of the camera where you're explaining to somebody how to do something step by step. So usually online courses are broken up into a series of videos like a playlist. So that way it's more manageable and easier to teach somebody something. Now, if you're not comfortable being on camera, what your other option is you can record your computer screen and just do a voiceover where you're showing somebody how to do something step by step. Now, once you create your online course, you can host it on a few different platforms. If you have your own website, you can host it on your own website and then charge people whenever they want to enroll into your course. Or you can host it on a great website called Teachable. Now, this is a platform that a lot of people get started with because they take care of the payment process and they do all the hosting. So once you create your course, you're going to go to Teachable, you're going to sign up, and then you're going to upload your course onto their platform. And then you're going to set the price that you want to charge people to enroll into your course. Now, Teachable, they do charge a fee every time somebody enrolls into your course, and they charge a monthly fee. But I mean, I just recommend that you go over and check them out because they have different plans and pricing available. Now the second method to create a passive income is by creating merchandise that is print on demand. So you can create t-shirts that are print on demand. So that means that you're not investing a whole lot of money into having a bunch of inventory or just having shirts screen printed in bulk and just having them sitting in your garage, your closet, or in somebody else's warehouse. So basically, you can just create a design. You can put that design on a t-shirt, you can put it on a sweater, a coffee mug, a phone case, a pair of socks, and then you list that product for sale. Now there's a couple of websites where you can do this on. The first one is called Printful. Now Printful is a third-party website that is a print-on-demand platform, and you can integrate it with other websites like Shopify. You can integrate it with your eBay store. You can integrate it with Etsy, and there's a few different other websites that you can integrate it with. And another website is called Teespring. Now this is basically another website that is a print-on-demand service, and it's the same thing. You're going to upload a design on a bunch of different items that you want to have printed, but you can have your own website or your own web store on Teespring platform. So you can create a Teespring store on their platform, and then you can just direct people to go to that store if they want to purchase any product that you have for sale. Now another method that you can use to create a passive income is through YouTube. Now most people might not consider this, but you can actually make money from YouTube by running AdSense, meaning that you have ads running before, during, or after your videos. And every time somebody watches your videos, you get a couple of cents every time. But in order to get monetized, you first need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours of watch time within the last 12 months. But there's other ways that you can make money with YouTube before you get your channel monetized. Like I mentioned earlier, if you created an online course, you can make YouTube videos that are around that online course, and you can be sharing a few tips and tricks, but you can also give people a call to action just by letting them know if they want to learn the full details or if they want to know the whole process on what it takes. You can just refer them to the link that's going to take them to your online course in the description of your YouTube videos. Now the fourth method to make a passive income is by selling stock photos. Now basically, if you've ever done an image search on Google, you've probably seen a couple of photos that have watermarks over them. So if you want to use that certain photo that has a watermark, you would have to pay for the rights in order to use it. And the person who uploaded that photo, they're going to get paid royalties. So they're going to earn a little bit of money every time somebody buys the rights to use their photo. Now you can make money doing the same thing. You can go to a website called Shutterstock, and then you can upload high quality photos, and if people are willing to pay for those photos, then you earn a little bit of money every time. Now what's cool about Shutterstock is that it's not only limited to photos. You can also upload stock footage, stock music, and even vector art. So if you can create any type of this content, then you can definitely earn a passive income by just uploading stock images or content onto Shutterstock. Now if you're wondering how you sign up with Shutterstock, you just go to the bottom of the page and it says become a contributor, and it explains how it works. And then you just sign up, and then you can start uploading your content onto their platform. Okay, so the last method that I wanted to talk about when it comes to earning a passive income is through affiliate marketing. Now you've probably heard about affiliate marketing before, but if you don't know what it is, it's basically where you're promoting somebody else's product online through a specific link that's coded to you. So whenever somebody clicks on your link and they purchase that product, then you earn a commission. So you're basically making money by referring people to buy a certain product. Now what's cool about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to create your own product in order to start making money online. And you can get started for free. You can join affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates, and once you're approved, you can promote any product that is sold on Amazon as an affiliate. Another great program that you can get started with for free is called clickbank.com. Now this program pays a lot more when it comes to commissions as opposed to Amazon Associates. But if you guys want to learn more about affiliate marketing and how it works, I have a free ebook download down in the description of this video called Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. And I go into more detail about what affiliate marketing is and how you can use it to start making money online. But basically, those are the 5 different methods that you can use to start earning a passive income in 2020. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you got some value from it. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And let me know down in the description what you guys thought about these methods. And if you're somebody who's looking to get started with your own online business, but you have no idea where to get started, check out the first link in the top of the description. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.